Shalom, welcome back. So now we're going to be doing, that's right, nouns with pronoun endings, the plurals. You already learned the singular forms, now we're going to learn the plural forms. So in the plural forms, we have to remember, going back to the beginning of when we started learning about plural nouns. For example, if you remember here, we have the word susim. Susim is the word for horses. Well, here, we're going to get rid of the mem when we attach our pronoun ending to it. So that means the yud is going to be my signifier that this is a plural noun. Okay? So when I have the word susai, my horses. Susecha, your horses. Susaich, your horses feminine. Susav, his horses. Suseha, her horses. Now for the plurals. Susenu, our horses. Susechim, your horses, plural. Susechen, your horses, plural, but feminine. Susehen, their horses. And Susehen, their horses, feminine, plural. Now, with regarding to the word Torah, well, how do we make it plural? Well, Torah has to have something happen here. We're going to make the hey disappear again, just like we did the first time. But here, we're going to add something special. We're going to add our vav and tav to the end of it. So now it's Torot. Torot, instructions, okay? Torot, it's plural. So now we're going to say Torotai, my instructions. Torotecha, your instructions. Toroteich, your instructions, feminine. Torotav, his instructions. Toroteha, her instructions. Torotenu, our instructions. Torotechin, your instructions. Torotechin, your instructions, feminine, plural. Torotehem, their instructions. And Torotehin, their instructions. Now there's something special you have to know that does exist at times. But however, I'm only going to let you know it exists, but I'm not going to let you know how to write it because, well, this is the proper way to write it. The plural form for saying there is Torotehem, hem. That's how you write it in the plural form. There is a form by which is common, and you will see it from time to time. But what happens is, instead of the hey being present, it's here, completely changed. And in this part, you're basically going to get here, Torot, and then tav. And the same thing is going to exist here. You're going to see Torot, tan. But I want you to understand this. Grammatically, this is incorrect. If you want this to be really correctly written, you're going to write Torotehim. And that's what I want you to focus on. So that you know grammatically the correct way of writing it, and that you'll actually know how to do it. So Torotehim, if you look at your chart, you see on the chart that it's written the correct way. I also wrote the incorrect way on there just so you know that it exists and that you can find it. But just remember, Torotehim, that's the correct way of doing this. I'll see you next time as you learn more biblical Hebrew and you learn more about nouns. Shalom.